mess with your wallet? Yes, okay, you got all sorts of stuff in your pocket. I gotta find a wallet on you. I don't want you to lie and get more tickets.
No, you can search me. I'll just, hey, alcohol, that's about it. Okay. I'll show that here.
Okay. Let's step across. Want you to dump out the Twisted Tea real quick? How old are you? Don't lie to me. 21. You're 21.
I was born in 6/25/99.
Okay. I just want to let you know if you're lying, you're going to get extra tickets. So if you're 21, then...
I'm not lying. Look me up.
Okay. I'll get your info real quick. What's your name, man?
Chris Hirschwood.
Is it Christopher?
Yeah.
C-H-R-I-S-T-O-K-G-R? Yeah. Wisconsin, Minnesota. Wisconsin? What's your middle initial?
J.
J? What's your last name?
Goodbye. Hirschwood. H-E-R-S-C-H-L-E-B.
52, still not getting it.
238, can I get a squad over to 14th?
52,
You're not stopping. No, you're going to jail. Stop.
You're going to jail now. Stop.
It's being recorded. There you go.
I'm not moving, yo.
I mean, 38 will take a transport van to 14th and State. We're 95 one time. Now you're going to jail. Let's go. It would have been a ticket.
Hey, you know that was me out of the
These guys are faster than I am. Smart across the street, get his real info.
I say meet walking on the bike.
What's that?
Somebody. How are you?
Good, man. How about yourself?
Hanging in there. Put it back around. Yeah, he was on the right side.
Well, I asked him for his name, and he gave me his real last name first, and then started giving me the fake one, so we're waiting for it. Yeah, we don't care. We don't care. We're going to jail. I told you. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? A citation. That's all I would have been. You would have got a ticket. Instead, you decided to run. Okay.
No, stop me and fucking told me to stop. I didn't get on me. That's it. Bro, come on. Y'all are being aggressive with me fucking taking me around when I didn't do anything.
Yeah, well, now you're going to jail. DC and resisting, state underage alcohol, state possession. Yeah, resisting.
Running away. Can you?
No.
You gotta, I'm talking about what? He's got a phone call here. Go to jail. I need your
Call, come here.
No, you don't. It'll be on all your paperwork.
Okay. You guys are the ones who would stop me? I need his.
Yep.
I need yours. You're fucked up. I didn't have anything over, boy. I didn't have anything.
Hey, everything's recorded, the entire contact.
You're gonna see that. I had nothing on me. I'm gonna be perfectly fucking fine.
Okay.
You're gonna see. Cole, get his badge number. No, I told you guys, the fucking wall got stolen.
Okay, let's get his real information. 238.
38.
Did you copy the Stardust of Trouble party at 14th and State? Okay. We'll take a transport squad. Here, we're in custody.
Copy, I got 35 now.
Good. I want you to stand back a little bit.
Okay, for sure. Where do you want me to stand? So,
just back here so we can deal with him.
Okay, yeah, sure.
So, he's going to jail. Oh. Yep, so he'll have a bond. He'll be able to make phone calls later. So if you want to call mom and let her know that he's going to jail, you can do that.
Is there anything I need to do in general?
No, really. No.
What did he do? What happened?
I'd say he can explain it to you later.
Okay, sure.
So,
well, I don't know his mom's number, so is there a way I could...
he can tell you, hey.
Can I go over there and tell him?
Yeah, hey.
Buddy, dude, what's your mom's number?
John Edward. John.
Alright, and what's your mom's name?
I'm going to have you.
What's your mom's name, Jeff? Karen? Yep. I want you to underrate.
What name did he give you?
He gave me Javin.
So
also gone for resisting abuse.
Yeah, we did citations, but I think we didn't. No.
What's that?
I said we didn't centralize them, so I'm more into criminal charges at this point.
Yeah.
So how much is under it?
You're getting criminal charges.
What's that mean?
Criminal jail.
Ticket. Jail.
Jail. Criminal charges.
I'm sitting in jail?
Yeah, criminal charges. You have to go to the circuit court. Criminal charges.
What?
Yes.
Why?
Disorderly conduct,
Okay, come on.
resisting arrest.
3,000 kids here with beers and you can't me, come on.
And what did we tell you? I said it's going to be a ticket. Don't lie to me. What'd you do? You
So if
lied.
it was a ticket, you would have
You lied to us. You would have got a citation. You would have been on your way, like we have with everyone else. That's been cooperative. But you decided to try to resist.
Okay, so
the fight, and then
how do I get out of jail tonight? Because I don't live here. My parents are going to beat the shit out of me.
Well,
How do I get out of
it'll be
jail
explained.
tonight? Do I pay my bond?
He'll explain it. He'll explain it in a bit. But right now we got a squad coming in and pick you up.
But is there a way I can get out of jail tonight?
There'll be a bond for you in there.
So I'll be able to get released tonight.
Most likely.
If they pay that bond.
Most likely or not? Yes or no?
Most likely, if you're able to pay the bond, you'll be able to.
How much is the bond going to be? Is it over $200? I got $200 fucking cash on.
Yeah, it's over $200.
So I got to fucking sit in jail with my parents and baby?
Is it his parents or someone just random pays the bond?
Here's the bond.
Is it going to be over like...
And you're gonna have bond conditions of not to consume alcohol or possess alcohol. That's probably a good idea.
Is it over like 500?
Is it probably 50?
Pretty close to 500.
450?
Man.
1334, State Street.
Right here. Is there a way I can go with this?
You can't go with them.
Where's he going exactly?
I'll explain it to you.
Yeah.
So,
I don't even know what happened. I was just walking.
yeah, well, I can't tell you what because it's his business, but
for sure.
Needless to say, like I explained to him, we're dealing with lots of people. Don't resist. They don't try to fight with us. They get a ticket. We'll even pay them all the tickets. They're good.
What was it that happened? Did he just have open things so they came out?
He got stopped and he decided to make some bad decisions. Okay. So here's what's going to happen. He's going to go down. The officer's going to follow him down there, and depending on his cooperation level, we might just release him on a signature bond so that he can pay some money, or doesn't have to pay
some money later. Yep.
Yeah, 100%. Well, he doesn't have to pay any money. He's just got to sign some paperwork and then show up to court. So, but you'll be able to make phone calls here.
Okay, sounds
Did you
good.
tell Tap that plan?
Where exactly? Where's he going?
Okay, he'll be able to call you in a little bit.
Yep. Okay, sounds good. Exactly what direction? I mean, I'm the only dude that he goes. That way? Okay.
Yep. All right, I appreciate it. Go towards Quick Trip on West Avenue.
You can clear it out, Victor.
All you do is just resisting and
How would you... What do you got for charges?
Can you take him to the command post? I'm going to sit on him.
On January 28, 2022, Trooper Alan Christian of the Wisconsin State Patrol was utilizing his radar device on I-94 in Eau Claire County. He clocked a maroon vehicle traveling at 112 miles per hour in a posted 70 miles per hour zone. When Trooper Christian asked why they were speeding, the 19-year-old driver said they were running late for a party.
Hi there. Trooper Christian, 73 speed tonight. Any reason for speed? Again? Just walk the system. In a rush. Why are you in such a hurry? There's a party? You don't pass it on? Huh? 112. And I got your speed after you passed by me. Did you see me in the median right there? Yeah, there. That's you saw me? You say something? What would you like to see? Okay, where is your license? Okay, so you do have a driver's license? Okay, yeah, I'll look at the picture of it. Okay, you got the insurance in here? Okay, yeah, that's fine. Are you meeting some girl over there? Is that where you're going so fast? Okay. Okay. All right. You still live there? suspense last time? Okay. And you got ticket for that over? Okay. There's going to be a citation for the speed. The way it works in Wisconsin, and those higher speeds, your license in Wisconsin, in Wisconsin only, we can't do anything to your Illinois license. It's going to be suspended for 15 days. In Wisconsin. It's going to be a high fine amount. Are you going to be able to pay for it? You don't have a payment plan. Do you have a job? Yes, you got what? Yeah, so you can get on a payment plan. Don't just not pay it, because then you're going to be indefinitely. This one's expired in 2020. You can't find the picture? So let me run that paperwork. I'll get you out of here so you can get to your party.
The driver received a $515 citation and 6 points to his license.
There's no in-person court right now, all right? You don't need to appear for anything. You either got to pay for it or contest it prior to March 16th. And like I said, if there's a money issue, the reason why I say it is $515 because of the high speed. So if you want to get on payment, you're going to need to call them. There's a phone number right here, all right? On the bottom of the sheet is court information. And the blue envelope you can use to either pay for it or contest it. What you can do, too, is you can ask them when you call, you can say, I'd like to see if I can get reduced. That'll help you a little bit, okay? That'll help you a little bit, okay? Nope. Nope. Just ask them, can I get this reduced? The worst I can say is no. And then you can get on a payment plan, okay? I can't remember what the next level is below that. I think it's like, I want to say 275 something, or maybe 200 something. They're saving some money. It doesn't hurt to try. It doesn't cost you anything to try, okay? And you seem like a nice kid. That's why I'm saying this, yeah. Okay. Do you get any questions? Yeah, what's up? It took me a while. It took me a while to get No. That took me a while to catch up. Because, I mean, my car can go 150, and I got a 148 to catch up to you. I had to, otherwise I'm not going to catch up. So that's why I can still see it passing people while I was trying to catch up. But I didn't. By the time I got close to you, pulled over. I'm not mad about it. All right. Yeah. You never know when we're sitting out there, man. Any other questions? You guys do anything? Just take this opportunity to learn from it. I mean, I was your age too, and I got my tickets. I learned it wasn't worth it. All right? All right, guys. Take care.
Do you enjoy our